Hello, Crafty and Stitch here, and this is where we live. And this is home to the big old bus.
Follow along. Come on in. Check out the place that we call home. This is where I work. I do my upholstery and my design work right in this space.
This is my organized chaos. And this is where the big old bus lives. Today it's the Battle of the Guns.
I have my $99 electric airless.
Which had very good reviews, and I am using my $49 primer gun, but you do need an air compressor, so...
Right. Who's gonna win?
I'm gonna win.
Ha!
You gonna win?
I'm gonna win.
He always wins.
We're using this auto body filler for filling in the cracks and crevices in the wood trim that we have. But with body filler, you need to add this hardener, and it comes with a gallon. Gallon's about, what, 20 bucks for a gallon?
20,
with
25.
hardener? So you just need a little dollop of this blue stuff. It's a hardener. Is that enough, Crafty?
Yep.
Yep. So you just take your little trowel.
Spreader.
Sorry, little plastic
okay.
spreader. And you just mix this in. Make sure it gets all mixed in so it's kind of like a light blue color.
Is that a sushi shirt you're wearing?
Well, yes it is. Are you
Hang on,
hungry?
wait a minute. What is this one right
Back
here?
off, Jack.
What's this one?
That's California roll.
I'll take that one. Tastes a little dry. So you mix it all up. She's ready to go.
So this is just kind of like spreading frosting on a cake. You can see the edge here needs to have a little bit of filler in it. So you just grab a little on your spreader and run it down. You have about 5 minutes of work time before the stuff starts to harden up and become unusable.
And we sand that all out. We end up at 320.
This is the finish of the electric airless, and you know, it did okay. It did spray quite a bit of product out, and it is a little orange peely. However, I did use the largest tip, 4.0. They do have two other ones that come with the gun. These are brass tips, kind of impressive. They're usually plastic, but anyway, there are 3 other additional sizes that you could order extra off Amazon as well. This yellow tip included in this package, the kit, is the wide angle sprayer for large jobs like doors, fencing, and such.
Now it's my turn to use the good old HVLP gun. An old school guy, and I like the feel of the HVLP. That's high volume, low pressure gun. We'll probably use both on the big old bus, but we just wanted to test them out against each other.
Right.
So I'm not sure who won.
Well, my guess is my gun's great for primer, and yours is good for finish paint. How's that? We're both
winners.
Isn't that special? Well, the battle's over and the verdict is in, and I think we're both winners. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think we're both winners.
I think so. So my gun, the airless sprayer, the electric airless sprayer, really, it operated well. It laid down a lot of product at once, and it covered quite well. there are different tips that I can use, and I did use the largest one in this one, so it did spray a fair amount of product. And there's also a volume control on it, so you can kind of regulate that a little bit too. So overall, I think mine did a really nice job, and I think that my gun would probably be great for the primer coat.
I agree. I mean, for $99, Stitch got it off Amazon. It had wonderful reviews. It did spray good, lots of product, lots of different tips. But with my HVLP, that's high volume, low pressure gun, you hook it to just an air compressor. It doesn't have to be a giant air compressor, but a portable one would clearly have enough air to do it. What I liked about my gun is you can control the amount of product that I was laying down a little bit better than the Stitches, so that clearly makes my gun better than your gun.
Oh, yeah, you just go ahead and think that way.
The other reason why I know that is because I've done some test panels and I took the latex right out of the can, put it in my $49 gun with the 2mm tip, and it sprayed beautifully and it laid down. So
Really did.
I think we'll probably do the painting with mine and the priming with hers.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the Big Bus Adventure with Crafty and Stitch. We're going to be doing a lot more of this, so
We will.
follow along if you'd like.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you soon.
See you soon.